Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use filters in the camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we're gonna open the camera, and now in the top right corner over here we have this icon with two layers, and if you press it then you will find filters. So as an example, let me show you how they look like. So of course we have the original, which doesn't change anything, but we can switch to, let's say, warm. We can also adjust the strength of the filter. We have cool, light, frosty, and so on and so forth. So we can use different filters like so. Once you are done, you can simply tap on the screen in order to exit the filters menu. And if you want to disable the filter, you need to go back to the same menu and choose original. And also you can switch to face over here, and this one should work for the front camera. Over here we can change the smoothness, the tone, the jawline, and eyes. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.